Okay, so today's little video is going to be about the Chevelle. We bought a brand new kit, a crate motor from Blueprint Engines, and it runs pretty well, but it's always smelt really rich. And you can see some black smoke coming out the back. So Paul gave him a call, and the guy told us that we need to jet it down a little bit. Says that from the factory, they come with size 62 jets, and we should try the 60. So that's what we're going to do today. We're going to change out the jets on this bad boy today. Paul is removing the bolts that hold the bowl and the metering block onto the carb. All right, let's see what happens. Pull that bad boy off.
Oh, it came out the back.
Okay, good. Little transfer tube there. Nice blue gasket.
Stay right there.
There's our jets down there that we need to change.
Yep. All right. Coming. See, this is where the tool comes in handy, isn't it?
Yeah. Well,
so let's see if this is actually a 62.
Well, it looks like it's a 66 jet. We were told that it would have been a 62, but so this one lets even more gas in.
And I don't know how tight.
It's a little bit, yeah. Okay. So we're putting 62s back in because that's what they claimed was the sea level value. They told us that a 62 would be in here from the factory, but no, it was 66s. Gotta love it. Can't trust anyone. Okay, bowl going back on.
Okay.
Line up the tube over there.
Oh, that's how that goes.
You gotta get down there to the little guy underneath. It's a 3D jigsaw puzzle, people. Come on now. I'm paying you the big bucks.
Yeah.
Get it right, mister. And going back on. Of course, now we'll have to make sure that this little tube connection back here doesn't leak like a sieve. All right, brother who can't hear shit.
I ain't heard that.
If you hear me or see me make any noises at all, just shut her down. All right, flame on. Flame on.
No gas.
Yeah, let it go for a while. Go ahead, try now. Oh, almost. Hey, okay. One each engine running. I don't feel any gas there. No gas there. Alright, there's no leaks if you want to come out. So, we changed the jets and we went for a test drive. Problem is, I was doing the test drive, so couldn't video nothing. Anyway, so trying to determine whether or not the car was still running rich. It seems like it's running really well, only now the car doesn't want to shift out of first gear. So we've got a 2-speed automatic transmission that no longer wants to shift. Huh. Changes to the carburetor. Shouldn't have anything to do with that.